Welcome back. Now, if you have a copy of Dragon Naturally Speaking in an earlier version, you may be thinking about the question of whether or not you'd like to upgrade. For example, if you have the home version, you may be thinking whether or not you should upgrade to the premium version. And in most cases, the features are going to be the same. However, there are some differences when it comes to operations with spreadsheets and presentation. The premium version has more than the home version. There are areas of advanced correction that you get with premium, as well as mobile dictation, which can be very handy to dictate and transcribe. And one of the things that you can do to make Dragon more accurate is you can import custom word lists. You can do that with the premium version. You cannot do that with the home version. Now, the other consideration is whether or not you'd want to upgrade from the premium or home version to the professional version. And the key difference between professional and premium will be the advanced transcription tools that you'll have available to you when you're doing both recordings and dictated audio through Dragon. And this can be very helpful to you in the content creation process. The differences between the professional version of the Mac as well as Dragon for Mac are a little more pronounced when it comes to speech recognition as well as the user interface. And again, one of the main differences is going to be the tools that you're going to be able to use in mobile dictation and transcription. So you'll basically want to determine whether or not the transcription tools will save you time in the content creation process. If you determine that they do, you'll want to consider the professional version. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.